Hello friends, it's a perfect day for a walk. Today I'll explore the Monzen-Nakacho area. Okay, follow me. This is the entrance to the shopping street. Monzen-Nakacho was originally a town built around a big temple used to be. There was Eitaiji Temple, but due to the Meiji government's policy of nationalizing Shintoism, it was abolished during the Meiji period. There is a temple over there. That's Fukagawa Fudodo Temple. The abolished Eitaiji Temple was located near here. Beautiful flowers, but I can't touch them. There is a huge straw sandal over there. People hang amulets with their wishes on their huge sandal before climbing mountains, hoping for strong legs and backs. Let's walk around the temple. There is a shrine over there. I'll visit there later. There's a teeth art object. Oh, this is a dental clinic. That is an eel restaurant. The symbol is the upper right of the sign is the Japanese word for eel. Eel restaurants in Japan often design letters in the shape of eels like this. This is the tree gate of Tomioka Hachiman Shrine. It's almost 2 p.m. already. I'm getting hungry. I found a Fukagawa-meshi restaurant by the tree gate. Fukagawa-meshi is a local food here. Here comes the meal. I cannot wait. Fukagawa-meshi is a bowl of rice topped with clams and Japanese green onions cooked in miso. Originally, Fukagawa-meshi is served over rice with dashi broth. But today I ordered only the rice version without dashi. Who is this man? He is Ino Tadataka, was a surveyor and cartographer. He was born in a village headman's house and was a merchant. After his retirement, he studied astronomy. Ino departed from home in Tokyo toward Hokkaido for his first survey in 1800 at the age of 55. He subsequently surveyed the whole of Japan 10 times until 1860. His maps were extremely accurate and highly evaluated in Europe. After walking around Tomioka Hachiman Shrine, it's time to move on. Let's walk to the next station. Running above me is the Metropolitan Expressway. As I passed under the overpass, I found a bicycle parking lot. There is a vending machine. I heard there are very few vending machines outside Japan. How about in your country? cute characters on the wall. What is this river called? This is the Sendai-Bori River. The Sendai-Bori River is a canal that links the Sumida River and the old Nakagawa River. There was a Sendai clams warehouse near here. Rice and other goods sent from Sendai were transported through this canal. Oh, school kids, sorry! The view from the bridge is so beautiful. At this time, it was still a little bit early for the cherry blossom season. Can you see the Tokyo Skytree over there? Tokyo Skytree is the tallest structure in Japan and the third tallest in the world. The tower is primarily television and radio broadcast site for the Kanto region. I found a share garden. The local people grow their plants. Neighbors bring variety of plants. They share a watering can. It's getting closer to the next station. There is a Japanese garden near there. Kiyosumi Garden is a Japanese stroll garden. This place is regarded as the former site of a wealthy merchant, Kinokuniya Bunzaemon, in the Edo period. Yataro Iwasaki, the founder of Mitsubishi, acquired the site and constructed the current garden in the Meiji period. Thanks for watching this video. The design of the channel images is by Profile Studio. Check their social media accounts in the description. Give me thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe to my channel. またね!